The Road to Reynolds program is a tuition reimbursement program that we offer to high school seniors who have been accepted to a university, to either Vincennes or Lakeland College, to obtain a degree in John Deere technology. It's our commitment to these students upon completion of their degree that we will reimburse their tuition.
We're always excited to have young technicians, young students here, and one of the best things that I think is they're able to be a part of this family business that has been around since 1955, and we're able to develop technicians and grow to be able to support our customers throughout our area.
I think I am most excited about the opportunities and the different job positions I can possibly rise up to in the future, as well as building a strong camaraderie with other guys in the shop and just in the company in general.
Jacob has had a love for tractors, specifically green John Deere tractors, ever since he was a very young boy. So this program fits Jacob to a T. The hands-on learning that he will experience at Vincennes will marry perfectly with the experience he'll get here at Reynolds, and we couldn't be more excited and proud of Jacob.
Well, when I was little, I always was around farm equipment, and I knew that I'd always love it, so I thought no better way to work on them and be around them and start working at Reynolds.
Carter at a young age was on his hands and knees pushing tractors around and planting and harvesting through our living room carpet. And you know, when most kids were out training for travel baseball, he was you know, farming in the living room. So, but it's a great opportunity, and we're super excited and proud of him.